Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can prevent Google app from saving your search history. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure, friends, write your comments after watching. Also put your likes under this video. And let us get started with you. You will need to open Google Chrome on your device. Then in the search box type in My Activity, and you can click on Search and go to the My Activity website. Once you get to this site, scroll down a little bit and click on this option. Next, you will need to scroll down and click here to turn off saving your search history for the future. Here you will be presented with two options. The first option is to simply disable your search history so that it is not saved for the future. And the second option is to disable and delete the activity. That is, in addition to disabling this option for the future, you will also be able to delete all your previous searches. Let's choose the second option with you. After that, you will get to such a page where you will be warned about the consequences, so to speak, of your actions and deleting your previous search history. After that, click Next. It's the same thing. Click Next and click Delete again. After that, you will have a window and a message saying that everything was successful. And deleting and disabling your search history. And to go back, just click right here. That will take you back to the settings. Friends, this is the quick and simple method you can easily prevent Google app from saving your search history on your device. I really hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to put likes, write your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Take care, friends.